Okay, Camp Floyd, Stagecoach Inn, State Park. Some old coins. A camp in the sagebrush. Okay, so check out, I'm right here. Here's all the men's quarters, officers' quarters, wow, all this stuff. Now it's pretty much just a big field. But go over in that building over there and check it out. Stagecoach Inn, lodging for travelers of the American West. Let's see, I think I have to go over here to get inside. Please begin your tour and pay at the museum. Okay, check this out. Stagecoach Inn. It says the Stagecoach Inn was a place where people, events, and businesses meet along the path of the Western expansion, as explored in the 3 sections of the exhibit. Wow, that's a small bed. Another one. Definitely hear the wood creak. Wash the dust off. After a long stagecoach ride, this room was a welcome sight to dusty travelers. Water was heated on the stove for a tub. Dining room. That's a pretty nice little stairway there. So as you can see, I have a wind jammer now for my camera too. nice and cool in here, but it's not a hot day either. Something else over there. Another bedroom. This roof looks like it's sagging a little. Famous visitors to Camp Floyd. Mark Twain recorded his visit in July 1861 to the recently abandoned Camp Floyd in his book Roughing It. British explorer Sir Richard Francis Burton traveled by stagecoach from St. Louis, Missouri to San Francisco. You gotta watch out for those stairs. It's pretty steep. Wow. Nice little rooms. Exit to the left, but let's check out what we got over here. Then we got a park right here behind this place. Okay, that's it.